Hey YouTube, today I'll be teaching you how to make premium handcrafted beard oils. First you'll need a bottle to put your beard oil into. In this case I'll be using a 30 milliliter black dropper bottle. You'll want to avoid clear bottles as the UV rays from sunlight will damage the oil inside. Next you'll need a pair of disposable nitrile gloves to avoid contact with both the carrier oils and the essential oils. Unless you're allergic to a specific carrier oil, the carrier oil will not harm your skin, although the essential oils in an undiluted form may cause irritation. So just wear the gloves. Next you'll need some pipettes. These are to measure and pour your carrier oils and your essential oils. For convenience, or if you plan on doing large batches for, let's say, a business, this Levo pipette controller by Silogics works amazing. And if you're creating it for other people, you have to wear a mask. I'm sure you're all familiar with this by now. Next, you'll be choosing which carrier oils will be going into your handcrafted beard oil. Go online, do a little bit of research, and find out which carrier oil is best suited for your needs. But for your convenience, I'll quickly go over the carrier oils that I have here. Jojoba Oil. It's a great moisturizer. It promotes hair growth. It's rich in vitamin C, B, E, and minerals such as copper and zinc. Argan Oil, also known as liquid gold. It's a great moisturizer for skin and hair because it's full of fatty acids, mainly oleic acid and linoleic acid. Hempseed Oil. Another great moisturizer. It promotes hair growth and it's rich in antioxidants. Not to mention omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids. Avocado Oil. I like to use avocado oil because it rapidly absorbs into the skin. It's rich in vitamins A, D, and E, in addition to the minerals potassium and lecithin. It's a great moisturizer. It repairs and strengthens your hair. Here we have the popular Grapeseed Carrier Oil. It's another oil that's quickly absorbed into the skin. It's great for anti-dandruff treatment, and it's great for its natural shine and vibrancy. It's loaded in fatty acids, omega-6, and oleic acid, vitamin E, and plenty of antioxidants. Next, you'll want to choose which essential oils you want to put into your handcrafted beard oil. For this video, I'll be using cedarwood, peppermint, clove, black pepper, and lemon. With the essential oils, again, do a little bit of research because each essential oil holds different microbial and antifungal properties. And not to mention that some can be poisonous. Perfumery is an art form and you're here to learn how to make beard oils, so I'll make a video in the following weeks pertaining to blending and perfumery. First, you'll want to boil the bottle and bottle components. Remove the bottle components, letting them air dry overnight. For convenience, you can go online and purchase this UV bottle sterilization and drying unit. So once your bottle is dry, and I cannot stress this enough, really dry, there cannot be any water inside of this bottle or it'll start to mold. I'll explain a little bit more about this in a later video. That being said, let's get started. This is a chance to create your own secret formula. Now that you've added both your carrier and essential oils to your beard oil, you're ready to put the cap on and give it a shake. You want to shake this for about 30 seconds or so. Now be creative, label your final product, and enjoy. There you have it, your very own handcrafted beard oil. You can test it now in the palm of your hand, but it's best that you wait 1 to 3 weeks to let the scents mingle a little bit. What I mean by mingle is aging gives the scent molecules time to bond with one another. By the 3rd week, it should be at its strongest and most balanced scent. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.